Welcome back to How to Cook for another Del Taco throwback recipe thing here. Today I'm doing, as you already know, because you've seen the title and the thumbnail, and isn't it beautiful? The Deluxe Del Beef Burrito. They still have the Del Beef Burrito, but you can't get it with the stuff in it anymore. Sucks. I love that burrito. It was awesome. When you weren't getting the Macho Combo burrito. But yeah, this is definitely one that needs to come back, or at least have the option to order it with like a custom menu thing or something. But sadly, we're going to have to make it ourselves, which is okay because we know how to do this, because we know how to make the meat, we know what the sauce is, we know everything about this. Because I've already done this, you've seen this, and if you haven't, there's a Del Taco playlist on the channel homepage. You can see that and all the rest of the things there. I also did a bunch of Taco Bell stuff there, and I'm working on Noggles things at the moment. So if you like fast food, Mexican food, quick serve Mexican, you are, well, we use the term Mexican food lightly, loosely here. But if you like that stuff, you're going to love all of these videos, hopefully. And if you have one that you want to see that I haven't done yet, always leave me a comment, let me know what it is, and I'll see what I can do. All right, but we are right now making the Deluxe Del Beef Burrito. Again, Del Taco, you hook me with the burrito, and then you leave me high and dry when you take it off the menu. I don't know, whatever. Anyways, we are going to pause for 1 second. Kind of need a spoon for the meat, right? Yeah, okay. So the meat here, this is their meat. Trust me, this is as good as it's going to get, as close as you're going to find it. And I'm going to use a lot because it's my burrito. And I can do that. I don't have a manager standing over my shoulders telling me, that's too much, you can't do that. I don't have to worry about that guy. So, what's the next thing we put on this? We got our meat. We gotta have the cheese. Come on, we gotta have cheese. And we gotta have sauce. Oh, this is just a red enchilada sauce right here. The Hatch brand has all of the same ingredients as their sauce. You want to make sure that this is hot before it goes onto your burrito. Otherwise, you have cold sauce in there, and you're gonna end up with a cold burrito. Cold burritos are terrible. Don't do that. All right, onions. I got my onions here. These are going down. Lots of onions, please. If you're feeling particularly antisocial, just load it up on onions. There you go, perfect. All right, I'm gonna put my tomatoes in now and the lettuce on last. I know a lot of people think that putting lettuce inside of a burrito is a bad thing. Those people are wrong because this is really, really good. What's the last thing this needs is sour cream. And I like to put it here because it soaks into everything really nicely. Doesn't really matter. It's a burrito. It all gets mixed up. But this is, they use regular sour cream, American sour cream. This is Mexican sour cream, as you can see here. And it is fantastic, and it is way better. So I always use this because if it's better, use it. But you must have the sour cream inside. Oh yes. And when you got this burrito, what's the first thing you did? You opened it up and you put some hot sauce in it, right? Come on, we all did that. So I'm gonna put hot sauce in it now before I roll it. Hold on 1 second. I wouldn't exactly call this hot sauce, but it is the Del Taco mild sauce. You know that you can go to the Del Taco website and look at products and stuff like that, and then you can buy these. They sell like packs of hundreds of them. They're not terribly expensive, but if you really want it, they have all three, the Scorcho and Inferno. You can get a 3-pack. I think it's like 100 each of those things. It's like $20 or something like that. I'm going with 2 packs because that's a big burrito. This is a very big burrito. This may be a little bit larger than they would have made, but again, it's my burrito. I can do whatever I want. They also did the open end fold. So just one end goes over, this end goes back. You pull, squeeze towards you, kind of mush everything towards the end so you get a really pretty reveal here. It's warm, it's nice, it's delicious. And that is Hopefully the cameras are picking this up. That is one beautiful burrito. Oh man. I'm just saying right now, I'm gonna have to do the thumbnail real quick. So it needs to have some sort of melty cheese thing hanging off the end. Yes, I'm cheating because it has to have that little bit of cheese there. But I'm going to shoot the thumbnail real fast, and I'm going to come back, and I'm biting into this thing, and you're going to see me dance around and all that kind of stuff if you want to. If you don't want to, then I'll say thanks for watching the video, so like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, unless you want to stick around. Hold on, I'll be right back. All right. Thumbnails are taken. How'd I do? How'd I do? Was it a nice thumbnail? I haven't seen it yet. I saw it through the viewfinder, but you know what it looks like because you clicked on this and you saw the thumbnail picture. I'm going to eat this now. Oh. I love these burritos. I make this probably every 2-3 months, something like that. I wish I could still buy it. When it's right, and that is right. And now you know how to make it right. Oh, that's so good. Hey, I like beans as much as anybody. Sometimes it's just about the meat, though. And this is all about that meat. And all about the veggies and everything else. I always had crispier veggies than Taco Bell. Everything else was just a little bit fresher, a little bit different. And just a little bit better, huh? Yeah. Well, there you go. That is how to make the old Deluxe Del Beef Burrito. I know it's a simple video, but thank you for watching, and hopefully you'll come back and see the next one I do, because it'll be more interesting, probably. This is just a quickie. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks.